Howdy, hey, my name is Oscar. I'm at Mr. Hawk's house. It's March 6th. Beautiful day out here. Found a bunch of wind damaged shingles on the roof. There's one in that corner too that I can't get on because of that tree. Here, missing here. Biggest thing though is this, we're not gonna be able to repair this roof. I think I missed one right there. 98% sure it's black china, so then RLS is gonna just prove that we can't get the shingle. But also just the condition that it is in, just by looking at it. Any repair is gonna create more damage, excuse me. So I believe I'm gonna be working with one of those shingles to take them out for y'all. Hopefully this is a good angle for you. I did get a new shingle, similar, but not the same. So we'll see how a repair would turn out. I'm gonna use this shingle because it's not close to the ridge line compared to the other ones, and that one's missing. Not great for an RLS. So first step, unseal around it, find out where it is. It's right there. Okay. Ooh. So this is what I'll be working with. So you can imagine, even no matter what, I'm gonna have to do this here. So the area that I'm affecting, think about the same up above that, and for each repair that we do here. All right, so all unsealed. This is definitely unsealed. Okay. Everything is unsealed. Now go ahead and take out the nails. I'm gonna be very careful with this roof because it's already breaking and very brittle without me touching anything. Ugh. All right. This is the shingle we will be requesting for RLS. I don't have my gloves on. It's not great. Let me quickly put on my gloves. Sorry to folks at home. You can fast forward 5 seconds. Okay. So first, let me clear this area. We're gonna put the new shingle, not the area I'm talking about. Oh, would you look at this? Wow. Okay, so this has already failed. So again, I just took the shingle out here. That is another shingle. Right, so that's a whole extra layer of roof. So I'm not gonna be able to nail into wood. I'll just be nailing into more shingle. So I'm not even covering the hole again because there is no hole. There's another roof underneath. So this has failed. We cannot repair a roof on top of a roof. It is not up to code in Delaware. And I hope you can see what I'm talking about, because I'm not exactly sure what type of roof this is. But as you see, it's starting to deteriorate when I'm trying to lift it up. Not good. So, I'm going to put this out for the RLS. And we are requesting a full replacement for Mr. Hawk's roof. I hope you have a great rest of the evening. Thank you, and God bless.